students, I am Shubhangi and today I am back with new topics. In our previous class we have learnt about bones and today we are going to learn about skeletal system. So let's get started. What is this, students? Do you know? It is bony structure of our body called the skeleton or skeletal system. Let's see the structure of skeletal system. Skeletal system is made up of skull, backbone, rib cage and limbs. They all are parts of skeletal system. And what are the functions of skeletal system? It provides protection, gives the body a proper shape and helps in its movement. What is the definition of skeleton? We can say the skeleton is a framework of bones that provides protection, gives the body a proper shape and helps in its movement. The human skeleton consists of 206 bones. Now we are going to learn about skull. You have to feel the bones in your head and face. You will find hard structure, that is skull. So we can say skull is a bony case that protects our brain. A skull consists of 22 bones. Do you know, students, skull protects our brain. But how does skull protect our brain? Do you know? So answer is there is a fluid-filled space present between the skull and the brain. Fluid-filled space means liquid-filled space. Fluid means liquid. So that protects the brain from shocks and jerks. Now we are going to learn about cartilage. Now you have to touch the front part of your nose and try to press it. Then you will find the upper part of nostrils does not have a bone. That is why you can easily press your nose. What is cartilage? We can say nose is made of a material called cartilage. Cartilage is a softer than bone. This part of skeletal system is a spine. Look at the picture. Do you observe a long structure of bone? It is a spine and it is also called backbone or vertebral column. So how can we define backbone or vertebral column? So we can say a long column of bones starts below the skull and extends up to the end of the back. This is called backbone or vertebral column. Do we know, students, each bone of a spine is called vertebra. In plural, vertebrae. So the question is, what are vertebrae? So answer is, bones of spine are called vertebrae. Next important thing is, young children have 33 vertebrae. As they grow older, some bones fuse together. Fuse means link, or we can say they link together and leaving only 26 vertebrae. What are the functions of spine or backbone? It has two main jobs to do. It supports the body and protects the spinal cord. It's time for homework. You have to learn the definition of skeletal system and parts of skeletal system. So that's all we have for today. Bye bye and take care.